So people, SB dunks are Alright people, हमने सारे jokes पहले वाली वीडियो में ही मार दिए हैं and we are out of jokes right now. So if you want to hear some immature and stupid SB dunks and Jordan jokes, you can watch this video right here, because it's not just about jokes but also some inside knowledge that I feel you should watch. So the card is right here. But still, if you want a joke and a reference in this video, at least one, then it's like your younger brother with a bigger brother in his pants stealing your girlfriend in front of you and you can't even do a single thing to him. Can you relate to it, or is it just a foreign concept? Either ways, that is the story of SB dunks and Jordans. Shout out to and correction by Dhyan XD. If you can read the whole thing, you can pause it right here and watch the whole chat. Otherwise, I'm gonna explain it in short. Instead of far-fetched, you should always look at the prices of stock X. I knew this, but I did it in a hurry, and I did not specify the fact that there are two types of dunks. The first one is your regular dunks with an average size dick, just like our strategist. And then there's the second type of dunks, which is the SB dunks, the ones that have a larger dick, just like yours truly. So in today's video, we're gonna take a look at how do you style your SB dunks. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं दोस्तों. So what is the reason that we are making a separate video on SB dunks? It's because SB dunks are not your regular sneakers. They're a little different. SB dunks are a little bit chunky, a little bit curvy. If the normal dunks are Kendall Jenner, then your SB dunks are Kylie Jenner. So here's the basic overview of the SB dunks. So as you can see, they're a little bit more chunky. That is what makes them a little bit more chunky, and in their frame, the whole overall frame, it's a little bit chunky as well. So it does not necessarily mean that the outfits that you can pull off on the normal dunks will go with your SB dunks as well. And it's not just for the SB dunks. Any other sneakers that are similar, that have a similar frame to the SB dunks, come into this video as well. And if you want to know a briefer history about the SB dunks and kind of compare them side by side, I've put in all the detailed information in the SB dunks have taken over Jordan's video. So you can watch that video for some detailed information. Okay, let's come to the point. It's that chunky sneakers directly go with chunky outfits. A very basic rule of streetwear. The point speaks for itself. If you are wearing chunky sneakers, then your outfit should be chunky as well. If you pull off a regular sized t-shirt, pair it up with your SB dunks that are obviously chunky, and then put in your skin tight joggers, running pants, or your skin fit jeans, it does not work. You look like a dumbbell. And then the next important point is color matching. You can't just put on your SB dunks and just leave with a chunky outfit that has all sorts of colors into it. No, it does not work that way. The simple way is to pick a major color from your SB dunks and use that same colored clothing item in your overall outfit. It could be your pants, it could be your top, it could be a jacket or anything. Just use that color and color match them. If you want a detailed information on how color matching in streetwear works, I have a separate video for you right here. You can watch this video right here. The card is right here. I've explained in detail about color matching, that is specifically about streetwear, just like what I'm doing right now. The fourth thing will be, don't lace them super tight. These are not your running shoes, people. Don't lace these sneakers super tight. Keep it a little loose, keep it a little casual. Lace your SB dunks the way I am doing right now. Take a proper look at how I do it. This is the right and proper way to lace your SB dunks. Let me put it this way. It shouldn't be tight. It should be loose, like you have your relationship with your side chick. If you get in too tight with her, things can happen and you can get confused on who to choose. Is it your girlfriend or your side chick? So you don't want that to happen, right people? Or is it just me? The next thing will be socks. It's that socks is a must, people. No-show socks are great. I love them. However, they are very 2015-ish. We're in 2020, people, where the coronavirus have ruined more than half of the year so far. So no-show socks really don't work in today's day and age. I feel they're a little old now. The trend is pretty much gone. If you're in streetwear especially, no-show socks, you never wear no-show socks, alright? You either go with your patterned full socks Or you can go with your sports athleisure socks that has logos on them. Socks in streetwear are not just something for comfort or taking proper care of your shoe. It's also considered as a clothing item in streetwear. As a matter of fact, these chunky sneakers won't look good with your no-show socks. You have to pair them up with socks to balance the whole silhouette out and make it look proportional. If you wear them without socks, you look improportional, just like your ex's boyfriend's dick. The sixth and the final thing would be, even if you don't want to really color match all that much, monotone dark outfits always go with SB done. And this would be the last option for you. And if you don't like the idea of wearing dark monotone outfits, just like Rose didn't like the idea of getting Jack up on the wooden surface that had enough space not just for two people resting, but two people having rough sex on it, then you're out of options, people, just like you're out of options in terms of girls. But this is only applicable for the people who haven't subscribed to StreetStyleScape. To the people who have subscribed to StreetStyleScape, you have a variety of options to choose from. So you don't have to worry about that. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe, people, and get unlimited options to mate. National Geographic चल रहा है, mating करेंगे. And that is all for today's video, people. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down, and let me know why you liked or disliked this video in the comment section below. You can also talk to me personally. My Instagram handle is mentioned below. It's @StreetStyleScape. You can go follow me there and talk to me directly. I'm also on Snapchat for sharing some personal stuff almost on a regular day-to-day basis. It's right here. And I'm also on Twitter. Follow me at STylescape on Twitter. I'm working on a Chapri Part 3 video which is coming in the coming 2 weeks, so wait for it, and it's gonna be worth it, people. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay stylish, stay safe. Triple S out.